Hello students, good afternoon. Today in this session I am discussing about exercise 4.3 second main. Okay, in previous class we observed that in first main we that is solve the following questions. Under this heading we discussed many problems and we tried to solve all these problems by transposing method. Wherever transposing method we can apply, there we have to apply. Where we can't apply transposing method, we have to use a separation of variable method. Okay, now second main, the heading of the second main is solve the following equations. Okay, and they are not specifying any method, use this method only, that method only, whichever comes handy to you. Okay, whichever method you feel suitable or in whichever method you feel comfortable, that method you can use. So solve the following equations. Second main, I will write the first question. Into x plus 4 equal to 12. Here x plus 4 is inside a bracket. X is a variable and I need to find the value of x. Okay, by solving this equation. It is a simple equation. LHS, RHS, equality sign, one variable is there. X value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾನು. Look here. So first you need to remove that 2. This 2 is in multiplication with this whole bracket. Remember, 2 into this whole bracket. So if I remove this 2, I will get x plus 4. From x plus 4, by transposing method, I have to remove this 4. Okay. So how to remove this 2? How this 2 is connected to this bracket? This 2 is connected to this bracket by multiplication. No, 2 into bracket. Therefore, divide both sides by 2. Then only this 2. Then only we can remove this 2. No. So solution. Write once again. Divide because this 2 is connected to bracket by multiplication. To remove any number, any term or any variable which is in multiplication, we have to apply the exact opposite of it, that is division. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅದ, ಈ ಥರ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅದ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. This 2 ones are 2 ones, ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So what remains? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್? x plus 4. x plus 4 in the LHS equal what remains in the RHS? Don't worry about 1, leave 1. Here 6 remains. 12 ಹೋಗಿ 6 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Don't write 12 once again. 6 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So next step is to open the brackets. How to open the brackets? Any sign which is outside the bracket, no, you have to multiply that sign with the numbers or variables which are inside the bracket. Then you can remove the bracket. Outside plus is there. Nothing means plus. So whenever outside plus is there, no need to worry about anything. Whatever inside bracket you can write it. Plus into plus plus, so you can write x. Plus into plus plus, so plus 4 equal to 6. X plus 4 equal to 6. What you need actually? You need the value of x, no? So therefore you need to remove this, or you need to move this plus 4 to the RHS. So transposing plus 4 from LHS to RHS. Transposing plus 4 to the RHS. Transposing plus 4 to RHS. what is going to happen with the sign of the plus 4? Whenever you move plus 4 from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 4. So x remains as it is, equal sign as it is, 6 as it is. Here plus 4 will move here, it will come here. Okay, so it will become, instead of plus 4, it will become minus 4. Plus 4 is sign is going to be changed whenever we move or whenever we transpose in number, its sign is going to be changed. So x is equal to 6 minus 4. Therefore x is equal to 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. So our solution is x equal to 2. You can just verify you can verify whether your answer is right or wrong. Put x equal to 2 here. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 equal to 12. LHS equal to R. So therefore, your answer is correct. Okay. You can take this screenshot. In a very similar way, B question. B question. Three into n minus 5 under bracket equal to 21. So this n minus 5 is a one unit, single unit, because it is inside a bracket. Okay, and this 3 is multiplied to this bracket. This 3 is in multiplication with the bracket and equality sign 21. I need to find the solution of the equation. It means I need to find the value of n. So n bekadre first 3 na remove madಬೇಕು. How this 3 is connected to bracket? By multiplication, no? So what is our next step? Try to guess. Divide both sides by 3 to remove. First I need to remove this 3. Solution. Divide both sides by 3. Three will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 ones are here. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So what remains? 3 cancel out. What remains? n minus 5 remains. Here equal sign. Here 3 is gone. Instead of 21, what we got here? 7. So I need to write 7. What is my next step? My next step is to open up the bracket. Outside which sign is there? Nothing means plus. So no need to worry. ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓಪನ್ n minus 5 equal to 7. Now what you need the value of n. Therefore you need to transpose this minus 5 from LHS to RHS. Therefore transposing minus 5 to where? Minus 5 is in the LHS, no? Where you have to move it? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ LHS ಇಂದ RHS ಮೂವ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ minus 5 to the RHS. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? minus 5 ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, LHS ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ LHS ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯಿತು? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದ, 7 ಅದ. 7 ಜೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? minus 5 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? plus 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, by transposing minus 5, its sign is going to be plus. Therefore n is equal to 7 plus 5. Well, so your solution is n equal to 12. Okay, similar way you need to try. Take C question as a homework. Very similar, even numbers are also same, except one thing. In a C question it's a minus 21, here it is a plus 21. In C question it is a minus 21. Give one try for it. Next, D question and E question. Okay, I will solve D question. Take E as a homework. Okay, I will solve a D question. Take screenshot if you need. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Minus 4 is in multiplication with the 2 plus x equal to 8. Simple equation it is. LHS, RHS, equality sign, and one variable is there. That variable is a x here, and I need to find the value of that x. That is nothing but a solution of the equation. So how this minus 4 is connected to 2 plus x? Minus 4 is connected to that bracket by multiplication. In between minus 4 and that bracket there is no sign. If there is no sign, it shows multiplication. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. If any number, variable, anything which if it doesn't contain or it doesn't possess any sign, it shows plus. X is also positive, y is also positive, but there is no operation in between them. If there is no operation in between them, it shows into. xy means what? X into y anta artha. Here minus xy, x the sign minus, y the sign plus ada, but operation is not addition, operation is multiplication here. X into y will give you xy. Likewise minus 4 the sign minus other, bracket the sign plus other, but in between these two there is no operation. ಯಾವುದೇ sign ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ operation symbol ಇಲ್ಲ, therefore it shows multiplication. To remove that minus 4, what I need to do? I need to divide both sides by minus 4. Okay, divide to remove this minus 4, I have to divide it by minus 4 only. Divide by minus 4. What you do in the LHS, same thing, same operation you have to do in the RHS. Minus 4 will get cancelled. Here plus divided by minus will give you minus. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so you write it. After cancellation of minus 4, what remains there? 2 plus x remains, and equality sign. Here plus divided by minus will give you what? Minus. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 minus 2 remains, right? Outside plus is there, as it is it will open up. 2 plus x minus 2. Now you want x, you need to move this plus 2 to the RHS by transposing plus 2, it's plus 2, no, plus 2 to RHS. So the plus 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ move ಮಾಡಿ, what remains? X remains or plus x remains, both are same. Equality sign, minus 2 as it is, will come here. Plus 2 ಇದೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ -2 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Now you tell me, what is your answer? Whether your answer is 4 or 0 or -4. Both numbers are having same sign. What you need to do? Even though they are negative sign, but they are same, no? So in that case you need to add. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. Greater. No number is greater. In that time both are same sign, no? So -4. Okay. And take even as a homework, in similar fashion you have to solve the equation. Okay. In the next session I will address third and fourth main. Till that, practice whatever problem I gave. Okay, try to solve the homework. See you again next class. Bye.